the emergency alert system
We interrupt
for the
this
Washington,
program to
D.C.
activate the
metropolitan
emergency alert system
operational
for the
area
Washington,
because
D.C.
of a local
metropolitan
weather
operational
emergency.
area.
The National Weather
because of a
Service in
local
Sterling,
weather
Virginia has issued
emergency.
a tornado warning for North Central District of Columbia, Southeastern Montgomery County in Maryland, and Northwestern Prince George's County in Maryland. It is in effect until 7 o'clock. Just moments ago, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Howard University. It is moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. If you are in the direct path of this tornado touchdown, flying debris is going to be dangerous if you're caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows could happen. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. The dangerous storm is near Hyattsville, Tacoma Park.
The dangerous storm is near Hyattsville, Tacoma Park. It'll be there around 6:50.
Other storm includes Catholic University, Killam, Mount Rainier, and Brentwood. Again, take cover now, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter. Protect yourself from any possible flying debris. National Weather Service has a tornado warning in effect until 7 o'clock. North Central D.C., Southeastern Montgomery County, Northwestern Prince George's County. It is going at about 25 miles per hour. Moments ago, this thunderstorm that could produce a tornado was located over Howard University.
Let's get back to WTOP meteorologist Mike Stenhofer as we monitor this.